Hi everybody, welcome back to Better Computer. My name is Matt, and this is a new episode of the Changelog. The Changelog is a series where I go over some of the new features that just released for some of my favorite apps, and today I'm talking about some recent updates that just came out over the past couple weeks for Hey Email on iOS and Android. The first feature they have is something called cover art. My inbox looks like this right now with an image on top of my previously seen messages, and so basically this does it's kind of a fun way of doing what a lot of other email clients already do, where you don't see the messages you've already kind of dismissed. But yeah, basically it covers it up with an image. There are 6 images you can choose from that are built in. They're fun, or you can choose anything from your library. And if you ever want to see those messages at the bottom, just tap on the image. They'll all load up. You can take a look at them if you want, and then hit the photo icon to cover them up again, and you're good to go. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep using this in the long run. It's a kind of nice thing, but like I said, it doesn't provide a ton of unique value. It's just kind of a fun way of doing something other apps already do, which is kind of the Hey way in a lot of things. So I like it. I think it's a fun thing. It shows them experimenting. But yeah, let's move on to the next thing. About a month or so ago, Hey rolled out support for this feature called Hey World, which is a way to essentially post blog posts from your Hey account. And so in the web interface, this has been working for a while, and they added support in the app as well. So basically you just go to write, and then in the to line, you put world@hey.com. It switches it to this blogging mode, and your subject line is going to be the blog post title. The message will be the blog post body, and that's it. And it's just nice to have this built into the app as well, so that you can post from anywhere in the world. You'll also see a link to Hey World in the main menu for the app. You can go into there, and then you can see a full list of your previous posts. You can create a new one from there as well. You can take a look at your subscribers. You can go into an old post, edit it. You can send the link out to social media if you want. You can email to your subscribers, whatever you want. But that is all here in the app for you to make whatever changes you need. And then they've added some quality of life features. They've added the ability to kind of swipe between views, so you can swipe just left and right on the little button at the bottom of the app to go from the inbox to the feed to the paper trail and back. The app hasn't been totally updated, like the general structure of the app hasn't been updated to support this exactly, so it looks a little weird like when you're switching between views, but it does work and is a little quicker in some cases. They added the ability to pinch to zoom on the feed view, which is so welcome, especially on my phone. It's really nice to be able to zoom into some emails where they just aren't mobile optimized and don't look that great. It's easier to find links that way. And then they've added some stuff with fast user switching. So if you have a personal account and another personal account, or a personal and a business account, you're able to switch between those quicker. That's really nice. I don't have multiple of those accounts, so I can't show that to you, but it's supposed to work really nicely. And then they've also updated their widget. So the new for you widget now has an option. So if I go into it and edit the widget, you'll see this new toggle for show screener. And so this will make it so that if you're showing your inbox, which is what new for you is, it'll also show you things that are in your screener. So things you haven't screened in. So if you want to see in the widget, you want to see what's in your screener already, you can do that. I'm not quite sure if you'd want to do that. I think the whole point of the screener is that it's nice to not see random people messaging you before you've approved them, but you can do that if you'd like, if that's a kind of a blocker you think if you'd like to see when there are things in the screener. Yeah, that's just a whole new thing. I'm not using it myself, but I could definitely see people getting value from it. And yeah, that's it. That is Hey version 1.2. There's a couple sub-versions up there as well, but yeah, they've been rolling out consistent updates. Hey continues to be a service that I really enjoy. I'm never going to love email, but I think Hey has done a really good job of making me not hate it as much, which is a low bar, I know, but I definitely am enjoying the app as well. I have paid up for a second year of it, so I'm in on Hey. I really enjoy it. And if you haven't tried it already, there is like a 7-day trial. You can check it out, see if it works for you. It's definitely not going to work for everybody, but definitely worth a look if you haven't already. So that is it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you here next time. Bye-bye.